Alright guys, Richard and Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. Amanda's trying to get her big old Truxus out. We're going to go for a quick little ride this evening. Go ahead, goodbye. Going for a quick little ride. I'm going to take the Admotor M81 out again because we got it fixed earlier. Going to keep riding it and making sure everything's good to go with it. Need to close the garage door. And get everything powered up here. There we go. So today happens to be food truck day in our neighborhood, so they always get a food truck. Not always. It's been a couple months. But there for a while they were doing food trucks every first Friday, right Amanda? And we would enjoy going and visiting the food truck to see which one shows up and maybe grab some kibble. Oh, I did it again. Too bad you didn't have your camera that time. Hey Amanda, I just looked at that video clip from earlier. Yeah, it's funny. Me trying to kick that stupid kickstand. I don't know what it is with this bike. It's partly, I guess it's because it's hidden underneath the saddlebag and I just don't think of it. But I do it so often on this stupid bike that I forget to put the kickstand up. I know, it's always a possibility. Alright, let's go. There is a noise coming from that one I don't like. I've heard it before and I don't know what it is. I don't know, we'll figure it out. It's almost like it's a grinding kind of noise. I hope it's not the gears inside the motor grinding. Take a right, take a right. You know what? I think it's the brakes. I think the brakes are hanging up. Might need to be adjusted. Because I hear, yeah, it is. I hear the motor's whining, and that's a normal whine for the motor. But then I hear the little bit of a scratching kind of noise, and that's what it is. It's just the brakes. Quite certain. So that'll be on our to-do list. Maybe tomorrow we can make an adjustment there. Maybe it's time for them to take their Christmas decorations down. Yeah. Wow! That's ear shattering. Say something? Yeah, I was just trying to turn up the volume on this helmet. There's a food truck. Yay. That's block and roll. I'm gonna go up on the sidewalk here. Hello. Good. No one out here. Usually when the weather's nice like this, there's like lots of people out here.
Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Good. You need a minute for the look at the menu? Take
Yeah.
your time.
All right, thanks. Loaded tacos. We do have like regular chips and salsa at home. I was going to make some when I got back to go with this. I mean, if you want theirs, you can have theirs, but otherwise I was going to do some chips and cheese. Southwest quesadilla sounds good. Mom wanted a taco salad. And street tacos sound good too. Loaded tacos. Alright, so what we could do, we could share. So I get one, you get one, and we can kind of split it, and we have different things.
Yeah, we could do that.
So how about the quesadilla? I'll get that. You get whatever you want, and then we'll share.
Do we know what we want yet?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Taco salad.
Taco salad? And what kind of protein would you like?
Do you have steak or something, or do you have
We
chicken?
have ground beef, chicken, and shrimp.
Oh, which one? Shrimp. Let's just go with ground beef.
With what?
The ground beef.
Ground beef? Okay.
Yeah.
And
And
what can I get for you?
oh, we need one more item off of that. Also need the quesadilla.
The quesadilla?
Yeah.
And what kind of protein on that?
Chicken? Chicken's fine. What are you getting, kiddo?
I'm gonna get the loaded tacos.
The loaded tacos. Loaded tacos?
Loaded tacos? And do you want corn or flour tortillas?
Flour.
Why do you want this?
Yeah.
Flour?
Yeah.
Okay. And then also, what kind of protein?
Beef.
Beef? If you'd like a receipt and if you'd like to tip.
Absolutely.
So excited. I was craving tacos yesterday, but I was too lazy to go find like a food truck. Hi.
Seems like I just ate. What did I have yesterday? I think I had a taco or something yesterday. Oh, yeah, we did. So our HelloFresh meal last night was steak, tacos. So here we are having it again. You want the taco truck in the background? Or do you want to take this and put it like over here by the tree? Alright guys, so we're over here visiting the taco truck. Riding the Ad Motor M81. Amanda's riding her Truxus Explorer. We can grab some kibble and go home. Yeah, so our community is small enough. She's waving. Our community is small enough that we only get one taco truck at a time. Sometimes they'll have like not taco truck, but a food truck. And sometimes they'll have a dessert truck. So sometimes there's like an ice cream truck here or something. And there's various food trucks that do just dessert type items. And for a long time, our community would have it every first Friday, and we enjoyed it, but it got to the end where a lot of people just weren't coming out for it, and so the taco trucks, the food trucks weren't making a whole lot of money, and so then they started saying, no thanks, we're not coming back to your neighborhood, and so we haven't had any for a few months, and now they're trying to get it started again, but this isn't going to work. This is not going to work if, more people don't show up. So what I used to do sometimes is I would and I'm going to do it right now while I'm thinking about it, grab a photo and post it on our community page. Oh, maybe I should grab a photo with the bikes up there too. Yeah, so let's go find our community page. Open up Facebook, as my father used to call it. He's a very dyslexic man. Passed several years ago. He didn't understand that Facebook stuff. Super dyslexic. Alright, we're going to add a photo. Add a photo. Post it. Boom. Alright. Yeah, so maybe that'll bring a few folks out. Anybody that may have forgotten. This food truck will be here for about 2 hours tonight. Guac and roll.
Wow, is it really?
I didn't see any rolls and I didn't see any guac on the menu.
No, but he's a guacamole and he's living his best life.
He is living his best life. He's got the little sombrero thing going on. He's got his little guitar, banjo, whatever they call it.
It's the guitar.
Okay, guitar. Wearing sunglasses. Yeah. Rock and roll. Yeah. I just took a picture and posted it to the community page, reminding people, hey, come out here, support these folks, or else they won't come back. Maybe it's too close to the holidays. Maybe they're like, no. Why don't you start rapping for us?
Okay, no, thank
Come on,
you.
Amanda, rap for us.
Don't rap. I don't even listen to rap.
You used to beatbox a little bit.
A little bit.
All right.
Back in the day.
Isn't that the same? Yeah, back in the day when she was like 16. We won't talk about how long ago that was. Well, at least it's a nice night tonight. Be standing around the food truck. Amanda was tired. She fell asleep on the couch this afternoon. We let her sleep. Of course, we won't say anything about me taking a 30-minute power nap either. I took a 30-minute power nap because I wasn't feeling it. And I woke up and Amanda was snoring on the couch. What in the world? She woke up and said, "What's for dinner?" "What? You sticking around for dinner?" Here we are at the food truck, still waiting. It's not like there's a long line or anything. But hey, it's fresh. You know, it's only 5:30, so a lot of people are still getting home from work, and you know, they got up at 5 o'clock, so hopefully they'll be showing up shortly. You need to find that. You need to find that.
I don't remember where it's at. I think it might be in St. Pete.
I'll go to St. Pete. We can do that.
Yeah, I'll have to figure out where it's at because it's like an RV park.
But it's food
A
truck.
bunch of food trucks like hanging out.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna figure out where it's at.
Yeah,
That would be fun, right?
that'd be a nice destination ride. Start somewhere else and then ride there and then hit all the food trucks. That'd be a lot of fun. Get a small group together. Hey there. Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
I sure hope more people show up. We just posted on our community page reminding folks, hey, that you guys are here.
Yeah, that would be awesome. I mean, it's been a steady amount so far.
Oh, has it been steady?
Yeah, people
Okay.
kind of one right after the other, so it's been good.
Oh, okay, good.
Thank you so much. Enjoy.
Thank you. We're good. Hey, let me try to remember the kickstand this time, Amanda. Look, the kickstand. That's that thing down there. Yeah, sure you are. I'm proud of you, Dad. Woo! Anybody coming? All right, we're taking the long way home just because we haven't had enough fun today. But not too long because we're hungry.
My helmet just died.
Oh no, Amanda forgot to charge her Cena helmet the last few times she's used it. So yeah, her helmet just died. You won't be hearing any more from Amanda. She's not wearing a camera tonight either. We just threw one camera on real quick to get out here. Look out, Amanda. Ah, what a beautiful night it is, though. It's a nice night, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Yeah, it is really super nice. Hey, she stuck her tongue out at me. Well, I hope Mrs. Adventure likes what we picked up for her tonight. I hope I like what I picked up for me tonight. Here we go. All right, guys, thanks for joining us on that short little ride. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in another video real soon.